Hi, I'm Steve Santoro with Lutron Electronics, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Sunnata LED dimmer in a three-way application. We're first going to show you how to install the dimmer in location 1, and then I'll bring you over to our second location where we'll install the yellow jumper wire that's included in the package. The first step is we're going to want to remove our wall plate. Once you have your wall plate removed, we're going to unscrew our switch and pull it from the wall, but don't disconnect it just yet. With the switch pulled away from your wall, we're going to take a look at our wires. In this setup, we have 2 black wires and 1 red wire. We want to locate the wire that's connected to a different colored screw. In this setup, it's a black screw, and we're going to take a piece of electrical tape and tag that wire. This is our common wire. Once you have your common wire tagged, you can remove your switch from the wall. Once you have your switch removed, we're going to connect the green wire on your Sunnata dimmer to the ground wire coming out of your wall. We're then going to connect the black wire on your dimmer to the tagged common wire coming out of your wall. We're now left with 2 traveler wires left in the wall. We want to pick one that we think we'll be able to identify easily in the other location and connect that one to the blue wire on the dimmer. In this setup, we're going to choose the red wire and connect that to the blue wire on the Sunnata dimmer. Next, we're going to connect the remaining black wire from the wall and connect that to the red wire on the Sunnata dimmer. Once your dimmer is connected, we're going to push the wires back into your wall box and screw the dimmer into the wall. Now that we have our Sunnata LED dimmer installed, let's go over to the other location to install the yellow jumper wire that was included in the package. Now that we're at our 3-way location, let's pull the switch from the wall so we can insert our jumper wire. Now that we have our switch pulled from the wall, we're going to take our piece of electrical tape and tag the common wire the same way we did in the other location. Again, this is the wire that's attached to the different colored screw. Once we have the common wire tagged, we're going to identify the wire that was connected to the blue wire in the first location. Again, in this example, we used a red wire, and we're going to remove the remaining 2 wires from the switch, leaving that red wire connected. Take one end of your jumper wire and attach it to both of the wires that you just removed from the switch, so all 3 are under the same wire cap. And then we take the other end of our jumper wire and attach that to our common screw. Once we have the jumper wire installed, we can screw the switch back into the wall. Now that we've installed the jumper wire in the other location, we could finish off this installation by installing a screwless Claro faceplate. I've installed a single pole Sunnata next to our 3-way and have included the link for the video in the description below. Once you have your wall plates installed, you can restore power at the breaker and test your dimmer. You should be able to turn it on or off from either location and adjust the light level with the swipe of a finger. I hope you found this video helpful, and for more tips and tricks, please visit lutron.com/Sunnata support.